start with chapter 7, playing with MS Paint. MS Paint is an application program which helps you to create drawings. You can design birthday card, invitation card, or any other drawing like plants, shapes, or flower.
47 in your book. Now, dear children, the next topic is selecting shape star or creating any shape. I can say this is again given in your book, page number 48. Now, let us learn step by step to it. First, let me show you the window. See, this is your drawing area. Look to my mouse pointer. I am rotating my mouse. This is your drawing area. Here we are going to draw any shape. For example, here we will draw 5 star 5-point star shape. So the first step is click on any shape you want to draw. Second step is come on the drawing area. Third step is press the left button of the mouse and mouse click. Press the left button of the mouse and mouse click, and with the left button pressed and mouse click pressed.
So yes, dear children, now we will learn shapes in MS Paint. Now, do you know, dear children, what are shapes like? You can draw line using line shape. You can draw curve using line shape. You can draw oval. You can draw rectangle. These all comes in the shapes category of shapes. You can draw polygon even. You may draw triangle. So these all shapes are given also, and how we will draw, that we'll learn step by step. These all are given in your book, page number 45, 46, 47, 45, 46 and 47. So in case at home you are doing practice, so these page numbers you may refer, page number 45, 46 and 47. So number 1 is drawing line shape, drawing a line shape. So where will you find the line shape? So for that, let me show you. From this shapes group in the ribbon I described you previously, from this shapes group you may choose any shape. As you can see, there are many shapes are given like line, arrow, oval, rounded rectangle, then triangle, cloud, star. So you may choose any shape from here. Then what steps do we follow? We will firstly click on the line shape. Suppose we want to draw a line shape, so we'll click on line shape. Then draw line shape using mouse. See, I have drawn 2 lines. One is black and second is yellow. You can see the black color line not straight, but you can see the yellow line is straight, as you can see in the below image. When will you draw any shape, then sometimes the shape cannot draw straight. So by pressing shift key from your keyboard, if you will draw any shape, so that shape will come in the straight and good form. So I draw all black color shapes without pressing shift button, and I draw all yellow color shape using pressing shift button. You can use difference in both shape, as you can see in below images. So dear children, when you want a straight line or when you want any shape To be drawn straight, you need to press shift button from the keyboard and then mouse click, dragging the mouse click, so it will give you a straight shape or a straight line in the drawing area. Whereas if you will draw simply, so it will give you like pencil, whenever you draw the line without scale, so it will give you without ruler line how comes. Okay dear children, now drawing oval shape. So again, from shapes group, from the ribbon, we need to take the oval shape, click on oval shape, then draw oval shape, as you can see below image. See, here I have drawn. Again I have done two. I have shown you, one is with black color and one is with yellow color. So if you want that oval to be converted into circle, so you need to press again the shift key and then mouse dragging. Similarly dear children, for rectangle shape, click on the rectangle shape, then draw the rectangle shape. You can see the below images. Rounded rectangle also you can draw in the same way pattern. Now we come to the triangle. So again, click on the triangle, take the triangle from the shapes group, click and hold the left mouse button and drag the mouse pointer to draw a triangle. Release the mouse button, a triangle is drawn. So dear children, like this you can practice the basic shapes in MS Paint. Now how to fill the color in the shapes we will be learning in the next 2 to 5 minutes.
Just drag the shape as per your size requirement or as per your size you want to have. Just stretch it the way I am doing and just release both the things together. Both means left click of the mouse and left button. Just release it and you will get a selected shape, or selected shape has been drawn. One more time I am showing you the children. Look one more time. Suppose take the 5-point star. Then first step is, let us follow step by step. First step is press the left button of the mouse and hold the mouse and then drag the selected image is going to be drawn. So like this you can draw any shape. So this is how you can draw any shape in MS Paint. Now what are the steps we have followed? Look it over here. Number 1 step, select the shape of your choice. Number 2 step, click and hold the left mouse button. Number 3 step, drag the mouse pointer to draw the shape in the drawing area. And after drawing the star or after drawing the shape, what we did? We just have released the mouse button. A shape gets drawn. So like this we got the shape. Any shape you may draw. I'll show you the 5-point star shape. Now suppose the second topic is to change the outline style. How can we change the outline style? It means suppose I have drawn this shape. I want to change the outline style of it. So how can we change? From the home tab, look to my mouse pointer, from the home tab, shapes group, home tab, shapes group, you have over here outline option, shape outline option. Click on this drop down, this black pointer we call it drop down. Click on this and you may choose any, see, like solid color, crayon, marker. See, you can see the effects are showing little bit on my my selected shape or my drawn shape. But you may ask me one question, that why only the second star which I have drawn is showing you right now the outline options or outline changes. Why not the previous first one? So beta, right now we have selected these dotted lines. Can you see? So these dotted lines means our cursor or our selection is at the second star. That is why it is showing me highlighters or it is showing me the changes on the selected one. Now suppose I took this marker one, and now if we will draw again, look the changes. Hold the mouse button and drag the window. It has drawn. Now here if I want to change the size, if I want to change the thickness of the line, so here we have line thickness option. See, you can see the changes. Look, this is 1 pixel line, this is 2 pixel line, 3 pixel, and the maximum 4 pixel line. Look, so like this you may change the outline style up, and apart from outline style you may change the size of your shape. Apart from this, dear children, you have one more option, that is two colors are there. Number one color is foreground color, number second color is background color. So foreground color is there to change the color of the pencil or the brush. Outline color means, I can say, to change the color of the outline, to change the color of the selected pencil or brush, we use foreground color. And background color will be applied to the selected closed area. For example, my foreground color is black, so you can see my star, my star shape is drawn in the black color. For example, suppose if my cursor is here and I am choosing blue, so look the changes. My shape is going to be drawn in blue. Now suppose if I am choosing green, so look the changes. Suppose I am taking yellow, suppose I am taking orange. So suppose orange I have selected, so my foreground color has changed over here. Now it has become orange. Now suppose in the background I want to change my color, means inside my, look to my mouse pointer, inside my star, 5-point star shape, I am getting white right now. Means I have not put any color inside it. Now I want to put any color inside it. So for that I need to choose background color, and to feel the color inside the shape, inside the closed shape, I can say, we use the tool from the home tab, tools group. We have the tool fill with color. So fill with color tool will do what? It will fill the color into the closed shape. Just click on the fill with color tool, take this tool, see your cursor has changed into the shape of bucket. Now we can fill this bucket with any color. Suppose I am taking green color, I have clicked on green color. You can see here my background color has changed from white to green. And now where you want to fill the color? Inside third 5-pointed star shape, just you have to click once. See, now here it is showing me the foreground color only. So for that you need to do right click. So now dear children, you can see that I have chosen green as a background color, parrot green. Now I want to fill inside this. So from the tools group, home tab, tools group, we have taken the tool fill with color. How to use this? Click an area on the canvas to fill it with the foreground color, or right click to fill it with the background color. Means if you want to fill inside, so you need to do right click, but if you want to fill outside, so you need to do left click. Okay, so now right now I am doing with right click, so it has filled in the background. So like this you can take foreground color of your choice, background color of your choice, and here fill with color tool is there to fill inside color and to fill foreground color. Now dear children, let us learn few more tools. Here you have set of 6 tools. What is the use of this? Let us see step by step. Here we have some more tools in MS Paint. They are, number 1 is pencil tool, to draw like a pencil you use in your pen and paper. This is given in your book, page number 50. Eraser tool to erase a drawing or a part of it. I will show you this. Fill with color. Right now we did this. Do you know? To fill up a closed area with color. And you have A tool, that is a text tool, to type text in a drawing. And next is color picker tool. This we'll learn in next class. To copy a color from a drawing. And magnifier tool, to magnify a drawing is to zoom in the drawing. So let us learn step by step all these 6 color, all these 6 tools. Number 1 tool is pencil tool. So pencil tool, you just have to take the pencil tool. Your cursor will change into the shape of pencil. If you want thickness, from here you may change the thickness of the line. Suppose I took 4 pixels and just press the left arrow, left mouse button and drag the mouse. So it will draw line. Any type of line you want to draw, you may draw using this. Suppose I want to make the triangle. So here 2 lines and then 1 joining line. So like this you may draw any shape using pencil tool. Now suppose I do not like this, I want to remove this, so I will use eraser tool. Eraser tool, just to take eraser tool, it will remove or it can replace any picture with the background color. So what is our background color right now? It's white. So take the eraser tool, see cursor has changed into the shape of eraser. Okay, now if you want to increase the size of eraser, so you need to you have to press control key from the keyboard. Along with the control key, you can have to press plus sign. And you can press plus sign as many times you want, the bigger size eraser you like to have. Now if you want to have the smaller size eraser, so press the control key and press the minus button from the keyboard. Now where are these plus and minus buttons are given in the keyboard? So in the right corner of the keyboard of your laptop or of your desktop computer, in the right hand side you have been given minus sign and plus sign. So that only I am also using here to increase the size of the eraser and to decrease means to less the size of the eraser. Now here you can surprise me like eraser is showing me green color. Why not the white color? Because here my background color is green. Now if I want to change it, so I will click on white. So my background color will be white. And now here you can see my color of eraser is also changed. Now how can I remove this? Hold the left arrow key and just drag the mouse pointer. Hold the left arrow key and just drag the mouse pointer. After releasing, you may release the left arrow key and mouse pointer together. And to stop erasing, just click on again eraser tool. So the selection will be, the eraser tool will be deselected. Or if any other tool you will select, automatically that tool is going to be deselected. Now here the next tool is text tool, to give name to your picture or to insert text into the picture. Suppose in the star I want to write the name of any child. So here I will take the text box and I will draw this. How I will draw this? Hold the left arrow key and drag it. Hold the left arrow key and drag it. Suppose I wrote over here class 2. Suppose I wrote over here class 2 and just click outside it, it is going to be saved over here, class 2. So like this you can use pencil tool, you can use eraser tool, you can use fill with color to fill inside the closed shape, you can use text box tool to write inside the picture. Now last is magnify tool. Magnify tool will enlarge the size of your picture or to zoom in your picture. Just take this tool and see your cursor has changed into the shape of magnifying glass. Now just click inside the drawing area. Now your drawing is going to be bigger in size. See. Okay. Now again, if you do not want to enlarge it, if you want to be in the normal size again, hold the right arrow key. Again so it is going to be normal. Right click again and again to increase the size, and left click to decrease the, right click to increase and left click to decrease. Right click to increase, left click to decrease. So like this, dear children, I hope you have understood the use of the toolbox tools, and I hope you all will practice also at home carefully and nicely. So do practice at home. Try to design something new. Try to design something good for your relatives, for your friends, or for your brother or sister. You may design birthday card. You may design any poster for them using tools of MS Paint. MS Paint program. So dear children, I hope you have understood the topic MS Paint. We'll meet next. Till that time, stay safe and healthy. God bless you all. Take care of yourself. Take an apple a day keeps the doctor away. So God bless you, dear children. Bye bye. Take care.